Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change Google Chrome's language back to English. If Chrome is currently displaying menus and settings in another language, you can easily switch it back to English. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner. From the menu, select Settings. Next, click Languages from the left-hand menu. Under Preferred Languages, look for English. If English is already listed, click the three-dot menu next to English. Then select Display Google Chrome in this language. If English isn't listed, click Add Languages. Search for and select English and click Add. Once English is selected as the Chrome display language, click Relaunch to restart Chrome. Chrome will close and open again with the interface displayed in English. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to change Google Chrome's language back to English. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Chrome tips, browser tutorials, and helpful guides. See you in the next one.